Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Listen closely to avoid the bad ending in Persona 5. Complete the final palace before March 31 to prevent failure. Keep steady progress through each palace with a 1 to 2 week buffer. Prioritize story choices that unlock crucial scenes and confrontation opportunities. Use Memento's runs to raise purification progress and unlock later plot events. Balance exploration and deadlines by tracking palace depth and available days. Follow these rules to keep your true ending achievable. Manage each in-game day to avoid last-minute failure and bad outcomes. Use weekdays for confidant interactions and skill training, reserving weekends for palace progress and Memento's runs. Save frequently and review upcoming deadlines at the start of each in-game week. Allocate evenings to studying or part-time jobs to maintain necessary stats and cash. When a palace has multiple safe days, spend 2 days clearing rooms and 1 day restoring. Avoid wasting free days on low-priority activities that delay palace. Focus confidants early to secure story benefits and avoid ending traps later. Raise key confidants to rank 8 or higher to unlock critical dialogue and battle options. Choose dialogue that strengthens trust and reveals negotiation advantages and alternate scenes. Complete Memento's requests that directly advance plot progression and unlock necessary endgame events. Save before pivotal choices and revisit earlier saves if the outcome diverges from your intended ending. Maintain social links and palace timing together to ensure access to the true ending.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.